Ah, come on. Wait a second. You're just tricking me. Okay, I'll feel for that.
Says not yet, Mom. Not yet, Mom.
Not yet, Mama. Hey. Let me have that. Oh, the camera.
You sure are bending at an awful angle and you could just roll over. Huh. When are you gonna roll over? What about neck strain, man? Come on, Rosie, you could do it. There went a sock.
Nice burp, kid. Nice burpee, Rosie.
Are you saying hi?